Here we go. 95, 96 Chevrolet V6 vortec diagnosis. We got new module, new distributor, new crankshaft position sensor, new computer from the factory. This is gonna be another customer who freaking took the vehicle to the dealership and the stupid dealership couldn't fix it. Guess who's gonna fix it and get paid the big bucks? Okay, so here's the diagnosis. Spread a little bit more of this in there. Do it kind of quick, his battery's going dead. Alright, bam. Let me give you the diag. And I'm gonna show you what fixes it, but nobody else can fix it. And we're not even doing the job yet. Okay, check this out. I'm pump on the gas pedal. See it? See it backfiring? There it is. That'll happen if you spray it in here or in here. I'm gonna tell you what's going on. Your spyder, your fuel injector intake, you see the lines come in here, and then you don't have no fuel injectors. You can see this whole intake got to come off. This whole intake, you can either replace all the dang injectors and spend a fortune, or you can freaking go out to pick and pull the whole pull the whole intake off and swap it with another one. So that's probably what we're gonna do. I'll probably do another little video of maybe we might just clean these injectors, but probably not. So that's it. And you start hearing some backfiring like that, and the vehicle's trying to start, but it just won't. It don't have enough fuel. So there it is.